The finger of death that freezes everything it touches. Earth's Great Sessions. Some BBC love here.
In Antarctica, the freeze-up has come in spectacular style. In winter, the continent doubles in size.
There is just something about ice that is slowly freezing over the top like this that is just so calming to see for me. I love it. I'm actually, yeah.
It's now bigger than the USA. The giant lockup causes an urgent problem for one inhabitant. A Weddell seal. As the sea around her freezes, her breathing hole has begun to freeze over too.
That's no good.
Without it, she'll suffocate.
These are like, this is what I would rent from the library as a kid, this kind of stuff. 32 years old, I'm right back at it.
So she resorts to using her teeth to keep it open.
Damn.
But at least she has a retreat from the icy world above.
You got to think about how much fat they have on their bodies to be able to like warmly, just not warmly, but just navigate that freezing water. Like, insane.
The sea down here is a constant -2 degrees centigrade. That's over 50 degrees warmer than it is at the surface. And it's been like this for 25 million years.
It's so much stuff going on down there.
Beneath the layer of...
This is why I think I loved Subnautica, because it just felt so realistically, or so realistic comparatively to what you see on these kind of channels, like in real life. So it just like that game had like this alien infrastructure for sure of like everything was different, but like it really nailed like how stuff looks, I feel like.
Of ice, this enchanted kingdom is protected from the extreme temperatures above. It's a wonderland of the strange and beautiful.
I think you're right, Silver. I need to play the second one. I need to get on that.
In this safe, stable world, life explodes.
It's so cool seeing it all sped up like that with all the stars moving.
But even here, winter cold can crash the party.
What is this?
As temperatures plummet on the surface, it triggers the growth of something sinister.
Okay. What? What is it?
This is a brinacle. Supercooled water sinking from above, forming a pillar of ice.
I've never even heard of this. Okay. This sounds very intense right now.
For the creatures of the seabed, it's a stealthy finger of death.
This is like a horror movie, dude. What the fuck?
A river of ice imprisons everything in its path.
There's... Okay, I know. Listen, it's not funny, but it is kind of funny that they're ice. Some of them are ice skating over it, while the others are like at the frozen spots, and the others are actually stuck in it. That's what is happening? Look at these. They're like, "Ooh, I'm not stuck."
Even
God,
those that think they've beaten the extremes of winter can get caught out.
It's like a straight, like, underground ice river, dude. That's insane. What the fuck? Okay, BBC. Kind of a weird ending. We're gonna give it a still like. It said, "Look at this Earth." No, that was cool, dude. I never even knew something like. It was interesting because it came down and would freeze underneath and above. You know. What a weird world we live in. Under the ice freeze of Antarctica, water normally remains around -2 degrees. This might sound cold, but compared to the icy surface, it's a balmy and stable climate. However, danger from above can sometimes make its way down to the ocean floor. Got it. Okay. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I love this kind of stuff to watch. Yes, me too. Me too.